guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this look I created right here, which is just like a dark blue green half cut crease look. It's so pretty. I'm so happy with how it turned out. I even curled my hair if you couldn't tell, so that must mean I'm excited because I never do my hair. So yeah, I'm really excited. I played around with these Jaclyn Hill Morphe palettes right here. There's 4. Yeah, these ones right here. That's kind of what I created the look out of. Mainly the Dark Magic palette, and I used the Armed and Gorgeous palette shade for my inner corner highlight, but like, that doesn't matter. But yeah, I'm super excited about this look, and if you guys like this video or you want to see how I created this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. Also, I didn't mention my last video. I did get my nose pierced just before Christmas, so I didn't mention that in my last video, and I don't know if anyone noticed or not, but I did. Surprise. I really love it. I've never loved a piercing so much in my life, so I did get my nose pierced, in case you were wondering if I look different. That's probably why. And I am in the process of making my hair blonder, so that's also probably something different since I haven't been on YouTube a lot. So that's a couple things that I just wanted to address that I didn't in my last video because it was Christmas haul and I was like all over the place. Anyways, so yeah, let's get started. I'm going to go with the shade Potion right here, which is a green, and I'm going to use that as my transition color, which is interesting. I haven't played with these Jaclyn Hill like individual palettes too much. I only got them like before Christmas, and I was kind of in my makeup rut when I bought these, so I never really was hyped enough to, I was super excited about them, but I wasn't inspired enough to like take them out and like use them and fool with them, so I never really got a chance to. So now it's kind of like my first time really playing with them. So excited. And I've played with them now a couple times since Christmas, and I do like them so far. I can't say I've found anything negative about them yet. And I'm gonna take this color here called Inside Job, which is a dark green color. I'm gonna take that on like a smaller fluffy brush, just the M513, and focus that just on the outside. Just right here. I'm going to blend it in a little bit slightly with just the excess product. That's cute. And do a little bit more, just so it's nice and dark. So now with the same brush, I'm going to take the shade Busted, which is that blue color, and I'm going to put that like right on top but more in the middle, like not right on the edge, just like right here. You guys can see the placement of that, just right here. I'm just kind of like moving it slightly. I don't want to bring dark colors in, so I'm going to keep it out. I'm going to switch up a brush while I'm blending, just so I don't bring that dark blue into the inner corner to close off the eye. So I'm taking the M433. I'm just going to blend. It's nothing on the brush, by the way. I'm just going to blend out that blue without bringing too many dark colors into the crease. It's just going to blend it out so it doesn't look harsh. That right on my eye. When I'm using dark colors like this, I tend to bring my crease a little bit higher than normal, because when the dark colors are on, it can make your eyes look really small. And so to kind of, I keep losing the palette I need. Just to make my eyes look bigger again, I will cut my crease and make it a little bit bigger. And some people pack on the color that they're going to use right on top of the concealer, but I can't do that because it creases even though I have stuff over it, but like I have to set it and then put what I want over it because it creases really bad. So I love that for me, you know, really good. Take this shade right here, Power Cut. It's like a, I don't know how to describe it. It's just really pretty, like silvery, but like not super silver, I guess, color. I'm just going to take that on this brush right here. This is the Morphe M213. It's a little tiny flat brush. Okay, so I did the rest of my face makeup, and now I just have to do my under eyes and then like smoke out my lower lash line, and it's a look. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now with you guys on camera, of course. Let me just do that. I don't really know. I don't want to do anything crazy. Like, I don't want to do like it's super dark, so I'm just gonna go ahead with a green, that potion color we use as a transition throughout the whole look. I put down there. Ooh, I buzzed. Okay, I have friends for once. Okay, so I'm gonna throw that down here. I'm using a Morphe M506, by the way, in case you're wondering. And I've said the numbers, but I haven't said I am using Morphe brushes the whole time, if you haven't noticed, for my eyes. I've just said the numbers, and I don't know if you guys realize they're Morphe, but they are Morphe, just in case you weren't aware. And now I'm going to take the E18, and I'm going to take that busted color, which is the blue right here, and I'm going to put that right on the very outer part, very, very lightly. Putting it so close that it gets a little bit on my lower lash line, too, just to kind of double up a step. That makes it look really pretty. And then blend a little bit in just like that. So the eye. And then I'm going to go into another one of the Jaclyn Hill little palettes, and I'm going to take the palette, it's right here. This one right here, which is called the Armed & Gorgeous. I'm going to take the shade VIP. This is my favorite highlighter of all time for highlighting anywhere on my face. And I'm just going to do a big inner corner highlight in there. I'm using the Urban Decay brush that came with the Naked palette. The original one. So everyone probably has this brush. It doesn't have to be this brush. Obviously, it can be your finger. It can be any brush you want it to be. I'm going to do like a big inner, like that, like a dramatic one. There we go. There we go. That looks nice. Okay, and I'm also going to highlight my brow bone because can't forget that. I feel like that just like closes any look together. There we go. I'm also going to do my lower lashes, and I'm just going to use the mascara I use on my top, which is the Mega Protein mascara by Wet n Wild. This makes the bottom lashes look so nice. There we go. And just like that. Alright, so I'm going to take my hair out of the clip, and I'm going to throw on a lipstick off of camera, and then again I will be back to do the outro, and you guys can really take a look at the final makeup. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, here is the final look. I just paired it with this lip right here. It is the NYX Lingerie lip in the shade Lippy 02. I don't think they actually have shades. Yeah, they don't actually have shades, so it's just 02. It's really pretty, and then I paired it with a clear gloss on top just because I find those glosses to be very dry, or those liquid lipsticks to be very drying, so I pair it with a gloss and it just looks really pretty. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm really happy I got to film a tutorial. It's been so long since I've actually sat down and filmed a tutorial, and it felt so good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure and give it a thumbs up and comment down below, and also leave some video requests of what you guys want to see, because I am really pumped about filming more videos now. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.